It's not about knowing just the rules, it's how you use them in tandem that really makes the big impact.
The second business one is an extension of what the one of the stimulus measures actually mentioned about a year ago, which is the company loss carryback. So just as a reminder for what this one is if you use a company structure and you've been profitable, which I hope many of you who run companies run as a company, then you pay tax in the company. But let's say COVID hit, and then all of a sudden you made a loss, which is unfortunate. But one of the allowances last year was that you're able to take that loss that you made now and apply it on previous financial years. So we normally couldn't do that. The rule is you can carry a loss forward, but you can't carry a loss back. But a year ago, they said you can carry a loss back now. Fantastic, and you can go and get some of that tax that you paid in previous years back in your pocket. So what they've announced in the budget is that is now extended another financial year. So you can offset losses in 2021 financial year, 22, 23, and you can write them back against profits as early as the 2019 financial year. The other interesting thing is Riz just mentioned the full expensing of assets. So let's say you made 200 grand in profit, but you want to buy a massive truck because you're investing in the growth of your business, and that truck's $500,000. So and a brand new one. So you can write off the $500,000 truck. So you've made a tax loss of $300,000. Under the company loss carryback rule, you can actually take that 300 grand loss and write that back against your previous profits. So you see how the kind of two can work hand in hand. So it's pretty interesting there. And even that truck, you might be able to finance, so you don't have that $500,000 cash flow outlay up front. So anyway, just food for thought, and interesting how these might work together. Cool.
And that's really cool. Just a slice of a strategy that we use is things like that. So it's not about knowing just the rules, it's how you use them in tandem that really makes the big impact.